Pan-fried potatoes are a classic of home cooking, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Today, we will prepare this exquisite dish flavored with rosemary, garlic, and a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Ingredients: 600 grams of potatoes, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, optional, a sprig of rosemary, or a teaspoon of dried rosemary, salt and black pepper to personal taste. Wash the potatoes and peel them. Then cut them into more or less equal cubes to ensure even cooking. Heat the oil in a pan and, if you like, add the garlic for flavoring. Brown the potatoes over medium-high heat. Then, reduce the heat and cook covered for about 15-20 minutes, turning them occasionally. Halfway through cooking, add the rosemary and season with salt and pepper according to taste. When they are golden, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, the potatoes are ready. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our recipes, and visit our website for many more culinary delights. If you love the more traditional flavors of Italy, try adding cherry tomatoes and olives halfway through cooking for an even more tantalizing variation. Pan-fried potatoes are a versatile side dish loved by everyone. Try them with different aromatic herbs to discover new variations on this traditional dish. Enjoy your meal.